Let's look at allocation rules in Builder. These are the settings which let you route work around the system depending upon the case settings, action settings, or ticket category settings you've configured. At any of these places in Builder, you can select an allocation rule from the existing menu, or indeed create a new allocation flavour. Let's take a look at some of the options available when setting allocation rules. You can create a new allocation flavour from scratch, or alternatively select the clone link to create a new one from an existing flavour. Specify a new name, add a description, and modify whatever settings you need to. Two types of allocations are available. Pool allocations, where work is routed to a queue from which people assigned to that queue then pull work as and when they are available. Push allocations, on the other hand, route the work directly to a specific individual's inbox. Primarily, we use the pull approach, routing work to queues and guarding against work being sent to the inboxes of users who may not have the availability to do the work right now. For pool allocations, the methods through which the queues can be determined are by queue name, where you pick from a list of queues which you can define in the general settings part of Builder, or by queue name from a specific team. So we can choose the first option and then from the list select the exact queue that we want work items to be allocated into. Additionally, we can select a primary target for routing the work as a push allocation. These can be a position, the system then selecting a holder of that position to assign the work to, or we select an individual to route to. There are various options here. We could choose from team by path, which allows for selection of a position within a team, or we could just say we want it to go to the packet starter, i.e. whoever kicked off the work item. We can choose a backup secondary push target as well as the primary one, and for both of these we can choose whether we want these people to be CC'd on any emails that go out. If we select the completer of previous action allocation method, we can allocate certain actions to the user who completed a prior action in the process, selecting the relevant action in conjunction with this. The username from custom data field allocation method allows you to pass a specific username to be allocated to via a custom data field within your process. And for all such push allocations, you can also choose whether you want them to be informed about the allocation via email.